Welcome to Rafiq. In today's video I am going to explain you about the application based question of chapter 6 class 9 computer science, that is introduction to spreadsheet. So the first question is, if the value in the cell are given as b1 equal 4, b2 equal 8, then which feature will you use to fill the series up to b10? So we'll use for this to get the series autofill feature. Question number 2, as you can see one picture in the side of the screen. So observe the worksheet given alongside showing the unit test result of 3 students. As you can see on the picture, it's written unit test and marks of 3 students, roll number 1001, 1002 and so on. So the first question, what is the alignment of data in row 2? Row 2 means that one, roll number and marks. So if you see properly, you can see that the roll number and marks are displayed in left hand side. So we'll write the answer as left. Number B, which features has been used in row 1? Means the first line where it is written unit test result. Here you can see the two cells are combined together. So this feature is known as merge and center. Number C, name the formatting feature applied to row 2. Here you can see color on the cell and some style is there, so we can write this answer as cell style. Now we'll move to question number 3. Here also you can see one picture on the side screen. From that picture you have to answer. Observe the list of numbers in the given worksheet and answer the following question. So in the list the numbers are given as 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Which features has been used to get this series? So this is a table of 3. So to get this series we can use autofill. Number B, which feature can you use to create your own list of festivals? For that we can use custom autofill. Number C, what are the method for doing the above? Means the step to create an autofill. So we'll first type the first two series in two contiguous cells, means two continuous cells. Suppose I want a series of 10, I want a table of 10, then at first cell I will write 10, the next cell I will write 20. Then move the cursor, then I will select the two cells, then move the cursor to small black square at the lower right corner. Then I will drag the autofill handle to the place where I want the series. After that, release the mouse button. Question number D, name the tab and the group that has the option to change the alignment. The tab is home tab and the group is alignment group. Now question number 4, Haridev want to know how to insert row between two existing rows. The method is given below, but with a few blanks. Fill in the blanks to help Haridev to understand the method. Here I have written the fill options in block letter. So place the mouse pointer in the row above which you want the new row. Click the insert row option of the insert button in the cell group of home tab. Question number 5, cell D2 contains 10, D3 contains 20. Select the two cells and using autofill drag up to cell D6. Let's move to Excel and see. Here said that cell D3 D2 contain 10 and D3 contain 20, and we have to drag this 2 number till D6. So I have dragged it till D6. So what are the numbers? Drag till D6. So the numbers are 30, 40 and 50. So the answer will write as 30, 40 and 50. What values will you enter in D2 and D3 if you want a series of multiples of 2? So if we want the multiples of 2, first 2 numbers of that table we will write, that is 2 and 4. Let's see in Excel. Delete the previous one. Write in cell D2 2 and D3 4. Now select the 2 cell and drag it. So this is the table of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye.